Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So I think to start off, we're all very familiar with this, and we talked about it in the keynote this morning. So largely driven by requirements to collaborate, whatever that means, and externalize R&D and manufacturing processes. In part driven by advances in scientific disciplines like genomics, and to some extent around reducing the total cost of ownership for IT infrastructure. So the approach that Core have taken to this is essentially to build a 100% web-based cloud native platform for scientific data. And we've really exposed this in terms of three applications initially written on the platform. So that is a LIMS, an electronic lab notebook, and a scientific data management system. But you can see around this platform what we call the universe of applications in Platform for Science, some of which are written by us, some of which are written by our customers, some of which are written by third parties, for instance, instrument vendors. And the approach that we've taken to product and application development is, rather than building a set of customized applications, we've essentially built a foundation, which is a master data management system with a automated workflow engine and a software development kit. That means that you can use the applications that we built, or you can build your own applications on top of the platform. And this is 100% web-based. We actually deliver it either on the cloud or on-premise through Amazon Web Services. And because we're platform agnostic, you can run this on desktops, on laptops, right through to mobile devices with exactly the same functionality and user experience. So we've integrated best-in-class chemistry into the whole platform. That's why we're here today, and you can see some of the details about the way in which we've partnered with ChemAxon to build their technology into Platform for Science. Worth pointing out that we have this piece, which I think is probably very important to many of you. So we have a full REST API, a whole series of JSON web services that allows you to do enterprise integration should you need to do that. Our deployment, well, we were one of the early adopters of Amazon Web Services back in 2007. We make full use of the whole AWS technology stack. As was pointed out by Ian from Evertech this morning, you can have your own private cloud. You can install this on your own servers, and you can call it your own company's cloud. But actually, we have a whole series of models. A number of our customers have their own private AWS instances where they're running a number of applications, and they just take our stuff and run it on that private instance of AWS. We have a lot of our smaller customers who are using multi-tenant models equally. But however you want to install this, there's usually an option to do it. So there's the approach that we took. It's really built for mobile and social aspects. Security model, certainly either on your own machines or on AWS. It's highly scalable and cost-effective platform. If you have any questions on this, I'm right outside. I don't have a banner stand, so you have to look for me a little more carefully than maybe some of the other partners. But if I am there, please come along. I'd be delighted to answer any questions that you have. Thank you very much.